In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect Lovable to N8N and set up an automation that runs directly from your app. The first thing you need to do is open your N8N workflow. Once inside, click on the plus button and search for webhook. Select the webhook node and add it to your workflow. In the settings, set the HTTP method to post. For the response option, you can decide when you want it to send data back. You can have it respond immediately when the node executes after the last node finishes, or even through streaming. For this example, set it to respond immediately so the connection happens quickly. After doing that, N8N will give you a post URL. Copy this URL because you'll need it for the next step. Now switch over to Lovable and open the project where you want to add the integration. For this demonstration, I'll show you how it works using one of my projects. In the chat, simply tell Lovable, integrate with N8N using this webhook. And paste in the URL you copied from N8N. Lovable will check your current project setup and then add the webhook integration for you. This means every time someone clicks Start Trading Now, N8N receives the data and runs your workflow automatically. You can then decide what happens next inside of N8N. For example, maybe you want to log the user into a database, send a welcome email, create a new document in Google Docs, or update a record in Google Sheets. All of these actions can be chained inside N8N once the webhook is triggered. The best part is that this process is flexible. You can attach the webhook to different actions in your app, like adding an item, submitting a form, or clicking a different button. Lovable will handle connecting the webhook to that action, and N8N will take care of running the automation in the background.